Hi, my name's Griffin, and this is my bike check. I have a Fit 81009 frame, volume front fork, premium hub with an Alienation PBR rim, Animal GLH tire, 20.25, Ritchie integrated headset, Redline hollow point stem, Primo Sasquatch bars, ODI long neck grips, best grips ever, Odyssey monolever, and back here I have just some stock 3-piece cranks, Animal Hamilton metal pedal is the unsealed one, Hoffman bike post, Fit PCP pivotal seat, Odyssey Mr. Clampy seat clamp. Then I have a White Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket and a Shadow Interlock 2 chain, Tektro calipers and clear pads, Field Fit stock hub laced to another PBR rim, and a Shadow Conspiracy 20 by 2.1 110 PSI tire, and that's my bike.